Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this by Hook Lab, and these are multi-use adhesive hooks, and we're going to take a look at these and see what we got in here. It says there's, I guess, small and medium ones. The small ones are 1.18 by 0.51, big ones are 1.38 by 7.5. Well, the small one actually, to go by, it holds about half a pound, and the medium one holds 2 pounds. So let's see what these look like. So these are them. And I'll show you guys how they work and what they are. So these are it, and we get 6 of each. So this is it here. So it's a clear hook with a clear top on it, and then you just basically peel this off and stick it where you want it to go. So I got these. I'm going to hook some of these up into. I'm going to hook them up in my bathroom for hanging like the washcloth and for hanging my little side towel, because in the new place I have, it's a rental and I don't want to drill anything in. I want something that'll come off. So I'll probably just stick these like on a mirror or something even. So it's cool. So this is what the big ones look like. I'll show you guys what the little ones look like here. If I can open it, there we go. And this is the small one. So you got the big ones and the small ones. So there you go. So, and it kind of sticks out a little bit there, but it's small enough hook you see on there. You could put something around it if you wanted to just have like little key holders or something like that. You could totally use it. Let's see what the little user guide says for it. Basically multi-use hooks here. And so that's kind of the instructions. If you need it, you can probably pause. And on that side too. Looks like removing it off, it just peels off as well. So let's just touch it for, yeah, it's got kind of a good gummy sticky stuff. So it's good. I like these. So these are awesome. Thumbs up.